Now see real Mars photos from NASA rovers. Mars appears desolate, devoid of life. Sky rusts, sand covers ground. And yet it is precisely this silent world that Elon Musk dreams of reaching. On June 12, 2026, SpaceX set an IPO record in American history. Within the prospectus, written clearly on paper, there was one line stating, "The Mars plan aims to establish colonies." Musk's aims, Mars City for 1 million. Solar-powered with glass domes and comms, this is the future. Earth-Mars align every 2 years. By the 26-month trip's peak, 1,000 to 2,000 ships will shuttle between the planets. Before packing, understand this crucial point. Mars is a death trap, not a home. Living on Mars long-term in its weak gravity. Astronauts take months to walk again, post 6 months microgravity. The Mars colonization plan is not for 6 months, but forever. Once you go, there's no coming back. Mars has no magnetic shield, exposing it to harsh solar winds. NASA's Curiosity rover once measured that organisms on the Martian surface are directly struck by solar winds. Mars rad 100x Earth's. Mars radiation is hundreds of times higher than Earth's. 1 year equals thousands of chest X-rays. Radiation exposure leads to cancer, DNA damage, and immune collapse. Musk knows these risks. Mars has just 0.6% Earth's pressure, mostly CO2. Without a spacesuit, you'd suffocate as bodily fluids boil in vacuum. Mars AVG -60 degrees C, low -135 degrees C. On Mars, water freezes instantly. No breathable air, just toxins. Dust on Mars, 3 to 4 micrometers sharp and fine, poses a deadly threat. It would infiltrate every crack in your spacesuit, jamming mechanical joints and wearing down seals. It would settle onto solar panels, gradually reducing their efficiency. It would float in the air, enter your lungs, and remain there forever, as it cannot be broken down or expelled. This is the home Musk envisions. He has seen these data. He simply believes they can be altered through human intervention. Musk's aim is to transform Mars, not just colonize it. To turn this red planet into a vibrant blue world. This isn't fiction, it's serious science. Scientists envision it. Fix magnetics. Deploying superconducting rings at Mars-Sun Lagrange points to create a magnetic shield, protecting Mars from solar wind. Emitting climate gases. Drill Mars crust, synthesize gases, add heat-absorbing nanorods. To gradually raise the temperature of Mars from -60 degrees Celsius. As temperatures climb, polar and subsurface ice melts, releasing CO2 and water vapor, thickening the atmosphere. Step 4, activate water. Once water flows on Mars, it carves rivers, forms lakes, releases CO2, and warms the planet. Wave life. Introduce salt marsh plants for carbon dioxide absorption and oxygen release. Plants did this before. 21 years ago, they sparked the Great Oxygenation Event, forever changing Earth's fate. Wait now. Scientists estimate centuries to millennia for transformation. When the final step ends, Mars turns blue. Humans can breathe freely. Humans will breathe Mars air soon, but trips are one way only. Mars mental preparation. you may never return. You will watch sunrises over those red deserts, see 2 tiny moons rise above the horizon. Search for Earth, your forever lost home, in Mars' night sky. Stepping where no human has before, Musk's Mars, not yours. His dream is to build cities on Mars with robots and AI, not for you. Robots, not humans, are first residents of the million-person city. Observe, Chinese letter, Chinese letter, Chinese letter,
They plant
Chinese
flags
letter,
on Mars.
Chinese letter,
You watch
Chinese
Earth.
letter, Chinese letter,